This is the second test of the 3D chocolate printer, this time using pre-melted chocolate in the warming cup. And the extruder has this tri-lobed extruder pump inside. Using pre-warmed chocolate means that the heater cup doesn't have to entirely melt the chocolate itself, just keep it warm enough for extrusion. Here we can see the pump beginning to be primed. Chocolate enters from the top and there's a slight jam when the lobes begin to mesh. The lobes sorted that out themselves and they continue to turn. What we can see though is that not much chocolate is beginning to enter the chamber from the top. There are voids inside the pump, it's not properly primed. Now here, running at a higher speed, it looks like the pump is primed and a print job is started. The printer homing process works really well. We're now looking just at the extruder itself to try and get a design that will pump chocolate out fast enough. The pump isn't extruding chocolate fast enough in this moving test. So here on a static test, we're running the extruder pump as fast as we can and we get a blob of chocolate coming out of the nozzle, but not much chocolate is extruded. And when that blob blocks the nozzle, no more chocolate will come out. Moving slightly here and a second blob can be extruded, and again, not very satisfactory. Here's another go. Again, running the pump at very high speed for the stepper motor, we get a blob of chocolate coming out. We can move the bed below it and we can extrude another one. So this shows that we can, in theory, extrude and leave a trail of chocolate behind, but we've got to up this pressure and up the speed that the chocolate is extruded. Here the z-axis is increasing and the chocolate is beginning to stretch as it raises up. Moving now the y-axis, we're going to try and extrude a second layer of chocolate over the first layer. The blob extrudes and is left behind, and we notice that the lower extrusion of chocolate isn't deformed by the second layer being put over the top, which gives us hope that we can actually build up layers of chocolate into a 3D structure once we've got the extruder working correctly. The tri-lobe pump was an improvement, but not enough. A new design is needed for this chocolate extruder to work correctly.